What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, I want to show you that we are potentially going to see the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen in the history of cryptocurrency just by looking at this chart. All right, there is a possibility that the market might peak round about March or April, and I'm going to give you my theory in this episode. This is just by looking at the chart and pure speculation, okay? Remember, not financial advisor, so don't do anything that I say without your own research. We're also going to take a look at Ethereum, and I'm going to tell you how Ethereum could react in the next coming months, breaking all-time high and going well above the $6,000 area with my theory, okay, guys? So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Let's dive in straight to it. Hey there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash up that like button. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, crypto, I also do live streams to connect with the community. Now let's dive in here straight into the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, all right? Because I want to show you something that is really, really powerful, all right? We've been talking about this cup and handle for weeks now, okay? Massive cup right over here, a massive handle. You break the resistance and you retest it, and we are just about to skyrocket in the next coming months if this pattern plays out. I'm going to show you this same pattern that played out here back in February and March, okay? This is February and March of 2021, just about 6-7 months ago. Now we can see here that we formed a massive cup and handle, not as big as the one that we formed, all right, but it is a multi-monthly cup and handle, because this one started here back in February, where we did hit this major resistance of $700 billion right over there, as you can see, and this is on the daily chart. And also we were retesting it here for several times. Now, as you can see, we did have a nice monthly accumulation right there. We did form the kind of handle here, and we broke it, the third attempt right there, breaking this massive cup and handle pattern resistance. Now, as you can see, after this happened, all right, in April, end of March, April, we could see that we went absolutely ballistic for about a month or so until we saw the May sell-off, okay? Back on the 19th of May, we had that massive sell-off where Bitcoin went from 60K levels down to the low 30K levels, all right? And the altcoins did 30, 40, even, 60% corrections, and a lot of them even 70%. But I want to show you, this potential pattern that you can see as a cup and handle is happening right over here in a bigger scale, as you can see, much larger, this cup and handle, than this one right over here. And I just want to show you the timing and the length that this one had from the breakout. Now, we do know that the measured target move is getting the lower part of the cup to the resistance, and from the breakout, okay, this should give you a target. But it looks like this one right over here, this run up, was even more, okay? It was more than double than actually the target. As you can see, it was kind of a triple, right? If we take this one over here, yeah, it was just about triple the size, all right, of the measured move of this cup and handle. What if, okay, and this is not guaranteed, this is just pure speculation, we are going to see the next coming months having this insane run up. Now, if we do take, all right, the lower part from this cup to the resistance and extend it, and we do it 3 times. This is just pure speculation, guys. We do not need to go to these levels, but I want to show you the potential measured move that we could do, all right, if we have an insane FOMO for cryptocurrency. And this could potentially take us all the way up to the $3.7 trillion in market capitalization, all right? And this is not too much, all right? If we are expecting in between 5 and 10 for the entire total crypto market capitalization, including Bitcoin, because Bitcoin should be arriving to that $3-4 trillion, and maybe altcoins to another $3-4 trillion. So it is very, very possible this to happen in the next coming months. Now, I'm just going to take a look at the timing here. And this is just pure speculation, guys. Looking at the timing here from this cup and handle, from the breakout, let's take a look here from this resistance point at the 700 billion on the 20th of February, all the way up, all the way to the breakout, okay, that happened 30th of March. This was around about 40 days. And from the breakout to the top right over here, it was also round about 40 days. So it was the same timing for this cup and handle formation, all right? The same timing from the start to the breakout, from the breakout to the peak was the same timing. So just with pure speculation here, zooming in, let's just say that from the breakout, we are going to be more or less the same time to reach the peak, all right, of the total crypto market capitalization. If we take the ruler here and go from the start of it to the breakout, which was round about here, it is round about 170 days, as you can see here. So what if we are going to take another 170 days till we see the peak of the run-up? And we can take the ruler again from the breakout. We take 170 days, and this would be around April. So round about the end of April, end of March, and beginning of April, there is a possibility that we are going to have this very similar run-up that we had here from this breakout of the cup and handle, but in a bigger scale, as you can see, because this cup and handle is much larger than this one. So just, you know, what if we are going to have that kind of same timing here? And I think there is a possibility that we are going to run up all the way up here to round about that $3.7 trillion. We're at 1.5, so it's not such a big move. If there is going to be a massive cycle in the next coming months, it is very realistic that we could hit that $3.7 trillion range, and it would be around the end of March, beginning of April. If we do see this kind of movement, I'm going to be planning to take most of my profits in between March and April if this were to happen. All right, guys, this is just pure speculation. Like I showed you, very similar price action that happened back in February and March. It doesn't mean it needs to happen, but you could arguably discuss that, yes, this could potentially happen in the next coming months. So very exciting times by looking at these patterns and the chart. Remember, for experienced traders, you can still claim this Bybit bonus up to $4,100 of bonus to claim on Bybit. And on PrimeXBT, it's my favorite day trading platform. You get 25% discount. Now, there will be better bonuses. If you use my link in the description, you will be eligible for the next bonuses. Guys, let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum looking insanely bullish. Ethereum also formed this kind of cup and handle with a descending neckline right over here. We did form the handle right there. We broke it. We didn't come and retest the neckline, almost did, but it looks like we're already having a run up, and we do have some potential targets here. One of them would be round about that $6,000. This is the technical measured move from the cup and handle, well above $6,000 right over here. And we got the Fibonacci levels, which I think we are almost going to reach 10,000, but potentially not hitting 10,000 in this cycle. Now, if we take the top here of the peak that we had from May, and we go all the way down to the lows from the summer, from the breakout, because we've already broken all-time highs, we got two measured moves of Fibonacci, and we have very aggressive ones, but I'm just going to go with the conservative ones. One of them is the $6,000 range, okay, very likely to be met because of this cup and handle. And then we got one a little bit more aggressive, which is 8,600. This is the 2.6 fib levels. This is what usually happens in the cycles of cryptocurrency. When you break all-time highs, when you've had a massive correction, you have these extensive moves, and one is the 1.6, one is the 2.6. 2.6 would be $8,600. I am not sure if Ethereum will manage to break the $10,000 in this cycle after seeing a massive correction. Okay, we might be seeing a massive correction before hitting the $10,000 is what I want to say. Okay, so guys, this is just what I got for this episode. Just a little bit of a speculation here by looking at the charts. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a live stream. We'll be taking a look at a bunch of cryptocurrencies. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis here. Check out my Bybit and my PrimeXBT tutorial popping on the screen now. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.